Hello everyone. Thanks for watching CAD Learners. On today's tutorial we will discuss about multi-line text. So without any further ado, let's get started. Multi-line text are large pieces of text which are inserted into AutoCAD, which contain lot of information and explanation about the project drawings, which can very helpful to read the drawings as well as the smooth flow of project. If you want give a short description, you can go with single line text. So in order to start with multi-line text, you can type mtext on the command line and press enter or space bar. Now the multi-line cursor will prompt you to start multi-line text. The second option is to start with multi-line text is. You can go to annotation panel on home tab. From here click on the text button which have small arrow. Here you can find the multi-line text. As soon as you select multi-line text, you can see that the command line is active. The third option to start multi-line text is. Go to Annotate tab. You can click the small arrow from here. And now select multi-line text. So these are the three methods to get start with multi-line text. Now I will show you what are the features or editing options available for multi-line text. Go to multi-line text. And select the multi-line. Now it's prompt me to select the first point. And you can see here that it's prompt me to select another corner in order to fix the multi-line text editor window. Also you can see here that there is some editing option is available above the command line. Currently we don't need that, because we will get much better editing option after we select the second point. As soon as I click, you can see that a new text editing window is open. This is similar to Microsoft Word text editing window. Here you can manipulate the text in different ways that we will discuss in a moment. Let's type AutoCAD 2019. So first of all we can edit our text by applying text style. I have already covered the tutorial. You can watch that. I will put the video description below. So for now I will make a quick text style so you can understand easily. So our new text style is ready. You can select it from here. Now apply this text style to our new multi-line text. The next option is that you can enable your text annotative by clicking this icon. The next one is you can change the size of your text. I will change the text size to 0.3. Now you can see that you can change the text size as per your requirement. Now before going to the next feature, I will copy this text and continue editing. I will do this for each feature which I explain here. So you can see the all manipulation that we made to multi-line text. Now the next feature is mask. This is very simple and very useful. If you want your text be in a nice stylish background color, this feature will highlight your text on the required places. And now select all the text. Click on the mask button. Now you will get this window. From here enable the use background mask option. Now it's active. You can change the border offset factor. I will go with default value. Now I will select a color from here. and press OK. You can see this is very cool feature in a simple click. You can change the border offset factor as per your requirement. Now we will check the match text formatting option. This is very useful if you have large piece of text and you want to apply different color and font style etc. to that text in some intervals. This can be applied only if the all text is within the single multi-line text. So let's check it. For that I will type some text here. I will type AutoCAD. CAD. Autodesk. Now I will make some copy of this. Now I will change the font and color of the first 3 words. Now I will select the first word AutoCAD and then I will click on Match Text Formatting option. Now I will select AutoCAD which doesn't have default AutoCAD text color and text format. See, the same format is applied to this. Similar way you can do rest of the text. The next feature is very easy and familiar to you. You can make your text bold, italic, strike through, underline, overline. Next one is stack, which means you can make your text like fraction. For example, I will write speed by time. Now I will select this text and click on this stack button. So you can see the text is stacked. Next option is superscript. For example, I will type Autodesk. Now I want to place a registered symbol on top corner of this text. So I will search for the symbol. So this is the registered symbol. Now I will paste this here. Now I will select this symbol and click on superscript icon. Now you may got the idea. The next option is subscript. This is similar to superscript. The last option from this section is that you can make your text to uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. Now you can select the desired font from here. If you want the font rather than typing with text style option, select the font as per your requirement. Next one, you can select the text color from here. Also, you can apply text color based on by layer or by block. The next option is justification. Before that, I will make some copy of this text. If you have text in Notepad or some other resources, you can import into your multiline text editor. Let's check how we can import. For that, I will go to Tools Options under the Find and Replace icon. Select Import Text and select the file from your location. Now you can see the text have been imported. For now, I will delete this text. Now we can continue with justification option. I will select the text and go through all options under the justification. And you can see the changes. The next feature of multiline text is you can add bullets and number for our text. Let's check. If you want to arrange your text by bullets, you go with bullets option. If you want number or letters, you can select it from here. You can also divide your text by column by clicking here. The next option is you can add symbols to your text by clicking the symbol icon here. Like degree, diameter, etc. If you don't find the symbol that you required, go to Symbol from here, and select Other. Now the character map window will pop up. From here you can select the symbol as per your requirement with desired font style. Now copy from here and paste the symbol to the text editor. So this is all about the multiline text. Hope you understand my tutorial. If you like my video, consider subscribing my channel. See you on next video. Until that. Bye.